Hi, this is Stewie17. I ca- I wanted to ask my audience, um, which Spectra video joystick I have. Um, this has two buttons. They both do the same thing. Um, and I have something to show you guys on the Wii U gamepad. Yep, I'm watching and an actions video, and it's the old joysticks roundup. So um so post a comment down below uh, about which Spectra video joystick that I own. The specific name. Um I and I that would be greatly that would be appreciated. Um so I'll see you guys later. Bye.